What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be working up with the main changes. So what you have to do, you have to just go to the settings right here, and then you have to go to the permalinks. Okay, make sure to come here and then you just select the post name. Okay, and then you hit save changes, and that's all you have to do. And now we have to install the Divi. So what we have to do, make sure that you are in the video that you are watching, and then you go to that page. Okay, and now you have to just hit login, and here you are in the login section. Okay, so basically you get all the downloads. If you just visit this, you can download everything. You can download this, and so many things. Okay, but we will be moving on with the universal theme. Okay, and that is the Divi and the Divi builder. Okay, so this one and this one. Let's just go ahead and let's hit download, and it should be downloaded right here. I'm just gonna hit start download. It is downloading, and I'm gonna come here to, let's go back, and I'm gonna come here to this guy right here that says the Divi builder. So I'm gonna download this as well, and you can see this is right here. I'm just gonna hit start download. So these two must be downloaded right here. I'm gonna go to this guy right here, and I need to go to the themes. So I'm gonna click add new right now, and here I have to hit upload theme. Okay, let's choose the file. Let's go to the compressed, and here should be Divi. So here I have to just upload it, and I have to hit install now. So it should be installed right now. You can see this is uploading, and let's wait till this is installed. Here we go. I have to just hit activate right now, and you can see this theme has been activated. Welcome to Divi. Before diving into your new theme, please visit the Divi documentation to access dozens of in-depth tutorials. I'm here to help you. Don't just click this. Let's just hit close. Okay, let's go to the plugins right here, and let's hit add new. Okay, and now here what we have to do, we need to just upload the plugin. We have to just choose the file. Let's just search for Divi, and here is the Divi builder. Let's hit install now, and you can see Divi should be installed right now. So if you haven't bought this plugin, right again, you have to just go to here, and here it says the join to download. You have to just hit sign up today, and you'll be done. Okay, let's hit activate plugin. And here we are. So here we're going to manage everything. So let's have a look at our website. This is how our website is looking right now. Okay, we will be making it the best website. You guys are gonna love it totally, because this is the best theme, guys. Seriously, you guys are gonna love it. Okay, so let's close this, and let's close this right now. And now in the next video, we will be working up with the Divi settings. Okay, we'll be adding a logo right here, and then we'll be moving forward. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.